Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the chip or scratch closely. This tells you whether touch-up spray will work. Clean the surface thoroughly. Dirt traps solvent and ruins adhesion, then dry it. Next, sand only the damaged area with 400-600 grit to feather the edges so new paint bonds smoothly. Once done, mask surrounding panels with tape and paper to protect them. Finally, shake the spray can for 1 to 2 minutes and test the spray pattern on cardboard to confirm color and flow before you move on. You'll apply multiple light layers rather than one heavy coat because thin coats dry uniformly and resist runs. Hold the can 15 to 25 cm from the panel and use smooth, overlapping passes. Start and finish each pass off the panel. Make sure to wait 10 to 15 minutes of flash time between layers so solvents evaporate and paint levels correctly. Once the color is built in 2 to 4 thin coats, inspect for texture. If needed, wet sand very lightly with 1000-2000 grit to remove orange peel. You finish by applying a clear coat to protect color and match gloss. Use 2 light passes from 15 to 25 cm and avoid heavy application. Allow the paint to cure 48 to 72 hours, then wet sand with 1000-2000 grit and polish to blend with surrounding paint. If you see a run, don't panic. Let it fully dry, sand the run smooth, clean, and reapply thin coats. This corrects flaws without widening the repair. Make sure to match color codes to avoid noticeable differences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.